Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today's video I will be using this Africa Best Herbal Grow Super Hair and Scalp Conditioner. So this is the egg grease I will be using today. So guys, let me first of all water my hair. I'm going to add some water to my hair too. Water is also good for hair. So water can serve as a moisturizer if you don't want to use leave-in conditioner before your grease. Even if you want to use a leave-in conditioner before your grease, water is compulsory for your hair. It also contributes a lot for your hair as well as to keep it moisturized and all that. So, to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys a lot. So, if you are new here, you are also welcome. If you like what you say, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. So, guys, this is my DIY curly cream that I made. So, I made this with Blue Magic, shea butter, cocoa butter, and other kinds of oil that I used to make this. So this is so moisturizing, guys. So if you have not seen that video, I will just leave it at the description box below so that you can go and check it out, guys. I'm not just going to like praise this product, guys. It's so moisturizing. There is flaxseed gel, there is aloe vera gel, and a lot of oils and butter that can actually keep your hair moisturized and as well contribute to hair growth. Like it can strengthen and it can also repair your hair. It's good for hair, it's good for hair growth, it's good to keep your hair moisturized. Like as you can see how moisturized my hair is looking like now. Like I'm just going to just use that as my moisturizer. Here is the main product for the day. This is the Africa Best Herbal Super Grow. So this product is made with different kinds of oil and butter, extract, and all that good stuff, all that good oil that they blend together to make this hair grease. Like it's really good for hair growth. It's good for hair growth, guy. Like there is so many oils and butter extracts and all that, so that can really contribute to hair growth. It can also help to like minimize dryness in your hair. If your hair is always dry, they say this product can help you to keep your hair out of dryness. And they said it's also a deep penetrating formula, so that can penetrate, so it can penetrate your hair and keep it soft and moisturized. So guys, after applying the product to my hair, I'm just going to brush my hair with this my detangling brush. This brush is really nice to detangle your hair. So now I'm just going to put my hair in twist. So this is going to be a protective style for me for this week. So I'm just going to put it in a twist, guide. This product can actually keep your hair moisturized for the whole week without you trying to remoisturize it again. So without you trying to remoisturize it again, it can keep your hair moisturized with the help of that my DIY hair cream. Like that product is the bomb, guys. Just I will leave the link at the description box below. Just go check it out. Make yours. It's really simple to make with one or two things, one or two oil with your flaxseed gel. So I know flaxseed is common, and aloe vera is also common, so it's what you can get anywhere, so you can make that product. The only thing you just have to look for is emulsifying wax that can help you combine the oil and the water base together to create a very nice cream for your hair, so which is so good, guys. So after combing it, I'm just going to twist my hair, as you can see me doing right here. So I've used this the other one, the super grow, so the maximum strength super grow super from Africa best, which is I really love that grace so much. So when I saw this one, I just like, okay, let me still give this a try. I love anything that is kind of herbal, so because herbal is good for hair growth, so anything that is made with herbs, is going to also be good for our hair. So since it's made with herbs, I decided to give it a try. Although this is my first time of using it, and I will be using it more with the other one that I have before. So a lot of video will be coming up how I will be mixing this. So if you want to see that, just subscribe to my channel, this channel, turn on your post notification, because I will be mixing this a lot with other grease, or with other butter, or with other oil, or any DIY oil that I made. So that is just that. So now I'm just going to move to the other one, the other section of my hair. So guys, this is how the product is now. It's very creamy and also very moisturizing, guys. No matter how strong your hair is, this DIY cream is going to penetrate your hair and keep it moisturized from the inside. So this product is really nice. With the help of the grease, like you use this to moisturize your hair, then you use your hair grease to sit in the moisture. Everything is just going to be working so fine. Here is the grease, guy. I'm not taking too much, so there's not too much oil in the cream that I made, because I don't want it to be like a lotion. So I just want it to be like a creamy consistent like cream, not too oily, not too thick, and not too everything, just average in consistency and average in oil. So now I just brush my hair. So guys, this is a lifesaver, so just try to go watch my previous video, so that you will get the idea on how you can make this product for yourself. So now I'm just going to twist my hair, and then I will move to the next one. So if you live in Italy and you want to get this product, you can get it on Amazon. So I don't think they have it in the store, but depends on the city where you live. So maybe there are some cities that have a lot of kind of uh, hair products for black women, so black color, so women in color, so with afro hair. So maybe you can get it there. So yeah, I don't think I've seen this product in any um, a beauty supply store here in my city, so I got it from Amazon. So if you want to make your cream, you can get the emulsifying wax from Amazon as well. So it's very affordable there. All the oil that I use, mostly all the oil that I use, I got them from Amazon, and they are also quasi affordable. So guys, this is just going to be like the last portion of my twist. I'm going to do the rest part of camera because I don't want this video to be like super long. I just want to show you how I use my DIY color cream and my Africa best herbal grow super on my hair. These two products are so much good together, like they are going to keep your hair moisturized. Guys, I'm not just going to touch my hair again throughout this week. When I'm going to take this hair down, it's going to be on wash day. I will just take it down, then I will wash my hair because this is going to be super duper moisturizing. I don't really need to manipulate my hair this week again at all. So if you are looking for this kind of product that can keep your hair moisturized, this product is also good. It's not just going to keep your hair moisturized, it's also going to contribute to your hair growth. If you have a very dry hair, you can also want to give it a try because they said it's good to minimize dryness and also breakage. So if your hair is breaking as well, I will also advise that you give this product a try. So thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. This is going to be the end, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye, stay safe.